3 fire stations in Fall River are handing out free at-home rapid COVID-19 tests to residents. From 4 till 7, Fall River residents can go to the location shown here on your screen. You're asked to bring a piece of mail or a bill with your name and address on it. 12 News reporter Alexandra Leslie joins us now live from one of the fire stations handing out those tests. Alex, Fall River has been selected as one of the communities to receive the free tests by the state.
Yeah, Mike, and test kits being handed out right now are the last of the city's supply of 38,000 kits. And take a look, people really can't wait to get their hands on them here today. The city was chosen as one of 102 communities in need to get a cut of the state's 2.1 million free at-home tests last week. That's because the scholarship city has one of the highest percentages of families below the poverty level.
We got out as many as we could to people that we think would benefit from it.
Mayor Paul Coogan says that started with handing out kits to community-based organizations.
Homeless shelter, soup kitchens, church-based groups that advocate for people that need extra supports. Some of our big, like our congregate housing, like the Housing Authority, People Incorporated.
Coogan says the last of the city's test kits are being handed out at 3 fire stations across the city tonight.
I'm hoping it gives them a little peace of mind if they're feeling a little bit punky or something and it's not COVID.
Have a good holiday, ma'am.
The mayor says his only concern is making sure people take the necessary steps if they receive a positive result from an at-home test.
If they get sicker, they better contact their primary care physician and get the necessary treatment.
Coogan says if there's an opportunity to get more tests, the city plans to take advantage. Currently, only about 61% of city residents are fully vaccinated.
We belong in the 70s. A city like Fall River that's hit hard, we need to be in the 70s, fully vaccinated at a minimum.
And if you've been having trouble getting a test at pharmacies like CVS or Walgreens, that's because right now retailers are limiting purchase orders for these at-home tests. If you can't make it to a distribution site like here in Fall River, there are still dozens of test sites, however, and Mass residents can also send away for a free PCR test thanks to a partnership that the state has with LabCorp. We have all the details on how to get free testing right now on WPRI.com. Reporting live in Fall River, Alexandra Leslie, 12 News.
Now, CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, and other retailers are limiting how many at-home test kits you can buy. This comes as Massachusetts is distributing millions of rapid tests to communities with the greatest level of need. 12 News reporter Alexandra Leslie is live in Fall River tonight with one of the 3 fire stations handing out test kits tonight. Alex?
Oh, Mike, until 7 o'clock tonight, you can head to the Globe Street Fire Station to get a free test. And Mayor Paul Coogan may even be the one that will hand over that test to you. He just arrived here in the last few minutes. You can also go to Eastern Ave Fire Station or Stanley Street Station to get these tests. We saw people trying to get these kits hours in advance before they were even delivered to the station. Now, residents are asked to bring proof that they live in Fall River, like a bill or piece of mail with their address. And they'll also be limited to 2 test kits per household, 2 kits come in a box. Mayor Paul Coogan, who we spoke with earlier today, says the city was given 38,000 tests last week and started handing them out to places like homeless shelters, church-based groups, and congregate living facilities. We caught up with folks in line today to ask why they're taking advantage of these free tests.
Oh, because I'm going to go see my grandchildren for the holidays and I have to be safe. I have to protect them.
I got my vaccinations, I got my booster, but I'd rather have something at home that I know if I get any, like symptoms, I have it, I'm safe and I can take it and go from there.
And right now, there's such a shortage of them, you can't find them anywhere. Now I've got 2 kids, and if I need to, I want to be able to test them.
Now, there are plenty more tests to hand out, but if you can't make it here tonight or if you're not a resident of Fall River, there are still options for you, like going to a testing site. And thanks to a partnership that Massachusetts has with LabCorp, you can also send away for a free at-home PCR test as well. All the details on how to do that are posted on WPRI.com. Live in Fall River, Alexandra Leslie, 12 News.